See friends, today we will discuss some other problems. First one, in an election, two persons contested. One of the candidate obtained 60% of votes and he is declared elected at a margin of 300 votes. Then what is the total number of the votes? See friends, one of the candidate obtained 60% of votes and he is declared elected at a margin of 300 votes. This means this candidate got 300 votes more than the other candidate. See friends, first winning candidate votes how much? Winning candidate votes. Winning candidate votes equal to 60%. This means the losing candidate will get how much? Losing candidate votes. Losing candidate votes equal to 40%. See friends, what he has given here, this candidate elected at a margin of 300 votes. That means the winning candidate got 300 votes more than the losing candidate. Then 300 votes more than the losing candidate. What is the difference here? 20%. So this 20% equal to 300. See friends, 20% equal to 300. Then what he has asked, what is the total number of the votes? Then total number of votes is 100%. 100% is how much? Then 21 jar, 21 jar, 25 jar. Then here it is x. Go for cross multiplication. So x equal to 1500. See friends, total number of the votes is 1500. See friends, now we will solve this one in a shortcut method. See friends, what he has given, first candidate got 60% of votes. He declared elected at a margin of 300 votes. See friends, total votes is 100%. Out of 100%, first candidate got 60% votes and he got the majority of 300 votes. The 60% votes means remaining 40% votes the second candidate got. That means the difference between the two candidates is 20%. Here what is the difference between the votes? 300. Then 20% is 300. Then 100% is how much? So it is x. 21 jar, 21 jar, 25 jar. Go for cross multiplication. X equal to 1500. See friends, next problem. In an election, one of the two candidates got 35% of the total votes polled, but he lost by 210 votes. What is the total number of the votes polled? See friends, I will read again. In an election, one of the two candidates got 35% of the total votes polled, but he lost by 210 votes. What is the total number of the votes polled? See friends, losing candidate got how much percentage? 35%. That means the winning candidate got 65% of the votes. So the difference between the percentage is how much? 30%. So 30% equal to 210 votes. See friends, 30% equal to 210 votes. Then what he is asking? Total number of the votes polled. That means 100%. 100% is how much? So it is a x. 0 0 cancel, 3 1 jar, 3 7 jar. So go for cross multiplication. So x equal to 700. See friends, total number of the votes polled is 700. How much time it has taken? Just a few seconds. So I will tell you the procedure. See friends, we don't know the total number of the votes polled. So we assume it as x. Total number of the votes equal to x. Then losing candidate, how many votes got? Losing candidate votes. Losing candidate. Losing candidate votes, how much? 35 percentage. That means winning candidate votes. Winning candidate votes equal to remaining 65 percentage. See friends, this person got 210 votes more than the losing candidate. That means the difference between the two candidates is 210. So difference between the percentage is how much? 30 percentage. So 30 percentage equal to 210. Then 100 percentage is how much? So go for cross multiplication. 0 0 cancel, 3 7 jar. So x equal to 700. Total number of the votes is 700. Same only here also we got it. This is the actual procedure. This is a shortcut. In examination we have to go through the shortcut. See friends, while reading the problem itself we have to understand the problem. See friends, next problem. In an examination, 60% of students were successful. If the number of the successful students was 240, find the number of unsuccessful students. See friends, what he has given in an examination, 60% students were successful. If the number of successful students was 240, see friends, this means 60% equal to 240. Then find the number of unsuccessful students. See friends, 60% successful means remaining 40% is unsuccessful. Then 40% is how much? So we don't know this one, so we assume it as x. So go for cross multiplication. 60 into x equal to 240 into 40. See friend, 0 0 cancel, 6 1 jar, 6 4 jar. So x equal to 4 4 are 16, 160. What is 160? 160 is the unsuccessful students. See friends, while reading the problem itself, we can get the answer. 60% equal to 240. Then 40% is how much? What is 40? 60 is the successful students. That means remaining 40% is the unsuccessful students. So 60 equal to 240, 40 equal to how much? I go for cross multiplication. 60 into x equal to 240 into 40. 0 0 cancel, 6 4 jar 24. Then 4 4 jar 16, 0. So x equal to 160. So total number of unsuccessful students is 160. See friends, next problem. Salary of a person increases by 4% per year. His present salary is 9,360. What was his salary during the last year? See friends, salary of a person increases by 4% per year. His present salary is 9,360. What was his salary during the last year? See friends, every year that person's salary increasing by 4%. His present salary is 9,360. What was his salary during the last year? See friends, what he is asking? During the last year, what is his salary? See friends, last year's salary we assume it as last year's salary. Last year's salary we assume it as 100. See friends, last year's salary we assume it as 100. Then every year it is increasing 4%. That means present year salary how much? 104. 4% increase. What is the 4 percentage of 100? 4. So 104. The present salary is 9,360. That means this 104% equal to 9,360. What he is asking? What was his salary during the last year? See friends, last year salary how much? 100. So we have to find this x. See friends, 104 nines 0, then go for cross multiplication. X equal to 100 into 90, so 9000. 9000 is the salary of that person during the last year. Friends, I will tell you the procedure. See friends, last year salary he is asking, so we assume it as x. Last year salary equal to x. Then every year it is increasing 4%. That means present year salary, present year, how much? X plus 4% of x. See friends, every year increasing 4% of the previous year salary. So last year salary is x, present year salary is x plus 4% of x. See friends, actual present year salary how much? 9368. That means x plus 4% of x equal to 9360. Go for calculation. X plus 4 by 100 into x equal to 9360. So 100 x plus 4x by 100 equal to 9360. So 104 x by 100 equal to 9360. 104 ones, 104 nines 0, then x equal to 9000. So this is the answer. This is the actual procedure. This is a shortcut. Directly we can go it.